Plaza. Yonghe New Taipei City.
Don't you know that there's so many malls here in Taiwan? So if you think it's so cold outside or maybe it's a rainy day, don't worry. Just search mall near me and you'll find a lot of malls to choose from. And here's another discovery, Beyond Plaza at Yonghe New Taipei City. You will never go hungry here at Beyond Plaza because they have a lot of food to choose from. They have Thai food, Japanese food, Korean food, and so much more. And of course, for the ladies, you can find your favorite cosmetics right here on the first floor, or find your favorite skincare at Muji, or shop until you drop at Uniqlo. Movies, everyone? What's your favorite movie? Well, at Beyond Plaza, you can have a nice movie date with your loved one, your friends, or your family. Now, if you like to read books, well, they have Elite Bookstore for you, and find your favorite book. Enjoy an array of stationeries only here at Beyond Plaza.